Ancient pulleys and levers began the tale, letting workers lift stones with uncanny efficiency under evolving crane designs. During the industrial era, steam power and rail cranes unlocked vast projects from Paris tunnels to expanding railway networks. In North America and Europe, hydraulic and diesel machines sped dam builds and road booms, slashing labor and time. Across Asia and the Middle East, urban skylines rose with automated systems and specialized access machines shaping modern cities. Today, smart hydraulics, GPS, and robotics fuse safety with speed, turning infrastructure into a cultural statement of national progress.